Hey everyone, welcome to this UKG Pro tutorial where I'll guide you through the key features of this powerful HR and payroll management website. UKG Pro is designed to help employees and managers handle essential tasks like payroll, time tracking, benefits, and more, all from a single online platform. Whether you're checking your pay stubs, requesting time off, or managing your team, UKG Pro makes it easy to stay organized and efficient. Now, for its feature, it has an employee self service or ESS where employees can log in to UKG Pro to manage their own HR related tasks, reducing administrative work for HR teams. It can update personal information, emergency contacts, and tax settings. It also can stay informed about company news, policy changes, and HR updates, and it can download task forms, employment verification letters, and company handbooks. Now, for the payroll processing and pay management, employees can view current and past pay statements anytime. It can also set up or update direct deposit preferences easily. It can support multi-state taxation, automated tax calculations, and electronic W-2 delivery. Some companies allow employees to access a portion of their earned wages before payday, so it can on-demand pay if enabled. Now, for the time and attendance tracking, for the clock in and out, employees can log work hours from desktop or mobile. For the time of request, they can submit vacation or sick leaves request with manager approval workflow. And for the overtime management, it tracks overtime hours automatically to comply with labor laws, and employees and managers can review and approve hours worked before payroll runs. Now, for the scheduling and shift management, UKG Pro simplifies workforce scheduling, ensuring proper coverage without overstaffing. Now, for the view work schedules, employees can check their assigned shifts in real time, and employees can request schedule changes, and managers can approve or deny requests. Now, for the automated scheduling, AI powered scheduling based on business needs, employee availability, and labor laws. Now, for the benefits administration, UKG Pro makes it easy for employee to review and manage their benefits. For the health and insurance plans, they can view medical, dental, and vision insurance details. They can also access 401k pension and stock options, and for the open enrollment, employees can compare and select benefits during enrollment periods, and for the flexible spending accounts, they can manage contributions and track usage. For the performance and talents management, UKG Pro helps HR teams improve workforce productivity and engagement. Now, for the goal setting and reviews, managers can set performance goals and conduct regular evaluation. For the training and development, they can track employee skill development, certifications, and training progress. For the succession planning, they can identify high-performing employees for leadership roles, and for the employee feedback and surveys, it conducts anonymous surveys to assess employee engagement and satisfaction. Now, for the recruiting and onboarding, we have the applicant tracking system or the ATS that posts job openings, track applicants, and manage interview schedules. We also have automated onboarding to New hires can complete paperwork, review company policies, and set up direct deposit online. And we also have e-signatures that sign documents electronically, reducing paperwork delays. UKG Pro offers also a data insights to help businesses make informed HR decisions. We have customizable dashboards to view key metrics like turnover rates, payroll expenses, and attendance trends. We also have a pre-built and custom reports where you can generate reports on payroll, compliance, performance, and more. We also have a predictive analytics and AI-powered insights help businesses anticipate workforce trends and optimize operations. Now for the compliance and security, UKG Pro ensures compliance with labor laws, tax regulations, and industry standards. Now for the GDPR and HIPAA compliance, it protects employee data with advanced security measures. For audit trails, we can track changes to employee records for transparency and compliance. And for the role-based access control, it limits access to sensitive data based on job roles. Now, if you're going to use the UKG Pro, just click the Get Started option at the top right corner and you can choose between Speak with Sales or Watch Product Demos. Now, if you want to watch product demos, you can choose between here. Just choose the UKG Pro and click on Take a Tour or Register for Live Demo. Now, if you're choosing for live demo, you need to fill out a lot of details to register to their demo. So you can just enter your first name, your last name, your business email, your business phone number, your title, your company name, your country, your address, your city, your state, and your zip code. And if you want to just choose a quick tour, you can simply watch their video. And first, you need to put your business email in here. And if you don't want that, you can just simply choose the Speak with Sales so you can speak with their agents regarding your business. That wraps up our overview of UKG Pro. As you can see, it's a powerful all-in-one HR and payroll solution designed to simplify workforce management from payroll processing and benefits administration to performance tracking and compliance. If you're interested in using UKG Pro, remember that a live demo is required to explore its full capabilities, so be sure to schedule one through their official website. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more HR and payroll software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.